Hi everyone! Have you ever thought that the banana blossoms we often throw away could actually be turned into useful items? Yup, don't be mistaken. This item, often considered waste, actually has many uses if we're a little creative. In this video, I'll show you how banana blossoms can be transformed into something useful and valuable. The first step, of course, is to prepare fresh banana blossoms. Many people do not know that banana flower is not only beneficial for the body, but also has extraordinary potential for use in furniture and crafts or wooden furnishings. Curious about the results? Come on, watch this video until the end. Watch as I cut open this banana heart, and this is what I've been waiting for the sap. Many people don't realize that this liquid has hidden uses. I won't tell you what it is for now, but believe me, once you find out, you won't underestimate this banana blossom again. Why chop it? Because when we chop it finely, the fibers and natural sap from the banana blossom will be more easily released. This sap is what we'll use as a natural polishing agent for wood. Banana blossom sap contains natural substances that can help coat wood, similar to natural wax, but without any chemicals. Repeated use can result in a darker, long-lasting paint-like appearance. So, don't underestimate banana blossoms. Try your own experiments at home. Who knows, you might discover another use for this natural ingredient. If you enjoy creative ideas like these, please support this channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing, so we can continue sharing inspiration from simple ingredients around us. This process is simple, but the results are stunning. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it's also cost-effective, as we don't need to buy manufactured wood stains. This is proof that creativity doesn't have to be expensive. As long as we're willing to try, materials we often consider useless can be transformed into something valuable. So, from now on, don't be so quick to throw away your banana blossoms. Try processing them, experimenting, and see the results for yourself. Who knows? A simple experiment like this might lead to a bigger idea. Then squeeze the banana heart that we chopped earlier so that the sap comes out, so that it is easier for us to apply it to the surface of the wood. Then rub the banana blossoms that we have cut into small pieces or chopped earlier onto the wooden surface that has been prepared beforehand. Rub until the entire surface of the wood is evenly exposed to all the banana blossom sap. This allows the natural sap of the banana blossom to gradually penetrate into the wood fibers. I applied it to several different wooden objects, such as a block of wood, a board, and a kitchen knife handle. All three have different textures and surface characteristics, making it ideal for observing how the wood reacts to this banana heart sap. I will apply it thoroughly, using my hands and eyes as much as possible, making sure every surface of the wood is thoroughly coated. I have observed the texture and absorbency of each type of wood as each surface reacts differently. In this way, we can see how this natural liquid works, whether as a coating, protector, or even as a dye for the wood itself. After all the application processes are complete, now we enter the next stage, which is the final stage. Here I immediately buried these 3 wooden objects in wet, watery soil like rice field soil. This process is not without reason, because moist soil will help the natural reaction of banana heart sap to penetrate deeper into the wood fibers. And without you realizing it, I am actually applying an ancient traditional technique to make high-quality natural paint, a technique that people used in ancient times to darken wood surfaces naturally and give them a premium look. Let's stand for 24 hours. And look at the results. After we buried it for approximately 24 hours, the color of the wood naturally changed to a beautiful and very natural jet black. This is all thanks to the sap from the heart of banana flowers, and a simple method that has actually been used since ancient times by ancient people. The results are truly satisfying, even making the surface of the Tampa wood look much more premium. You can see for yourself how the natural shine comes through with the texture now looking sharper and more stunning. From something simple, these woods now have an elegant and high-value appearance, all made from natural materials without any added chemicals. And this is the result from a simple process using often overlooked materials such as banana flower sap. We have succeeded in transforming the wood surface into a luxurious and exclusive look. If you like ideas like this, please support this channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. This will encourage me to share more creative ideas. See you in the next video, and keep creating from the simple things around us.